By the end of this tutorial, we will have Node.js installed on our Visual Studio Code, and we will be able to run JavaScript files from our node, and we will be able to see the output. As you can see here, hello world from Node.js. So we will be able to run the JavaScript files from node, and we will be able to see the output. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, go to Google and type download node. And here, click on this first result from nodejs.org. Let it open, and you need to choose which one do you want to install. So click on Windows Installer. Now, by default, it will download the x64 version. Once this is downloaded, click on Open File, and your installer will open. Click Next. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next again. Click Next again. Click Next. And click Next again. So now this is installing our Node.js. So as you can see here, it shows the message Node.js has been successfully installed. So click on Finish, and now let's see if it works or not from command line. Press the Windows key and type cmd. Open command prompt and then type node-version. So as you can see here, the node version is 18.16.0. Now let's see if npm is working or not. And as you can see, npm version is 9.5.1. So it is working now. Now you can build Node applications. Now that we have Node.js and npm installed on our Windows 11 machine, let's create a new project. And in this project, we will create our first application that will be run using Node.js. So let's call it my Node.js. And in here, let's create a new file, text document. Let's call it app.js. Now we open this in Visual Studio Code. So hold Shift and right click, and you will see a bunch of options here. You can open command prompt, or you can open PowerShell here, and then type code dot, and this will open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Click Yes, I trust the authors. As you can see here, we have app.js. Click on it, and it has nothing right now. So you can write some JavaScript here. Let's say where msg equals to hello world from Node.js. Now we will print this message. Now let's run this using Node.js. So you can just click on run and start run without debugging, or you can click Control Shift and this tilde key. And from here, to run this, you can just go node app.js. And as you can see, this has been run using Node, and you can print the message hello world from Node.js. This is how you can set up Node with Visual Studio Code. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.